So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a little tiny error that came up with one of my files that I shared. Now, if you want this file, just feel free to send us an email. Our contact info is in the video description below, and I'm happy to send it to you. But Amanda requested an 8 by 6 certificate frame. And so we made this file, and she went to go print this plate here, which is the back of our picture frame here. So let's go ahead and slice it and show you what the issue is here. So she's getting this error message. It says the following objects have empty initial layer and cannot be printed. Please cut the bottom or enable the supports. And you can barely see it, but there's a little link right there. So if we click on that little link, what it says is it says jump to something or other. I can't quite make it out. But anyhow, if we click on that little link there, you'll notice it gives us this little highlighted detail right there. Now, I'm not exactly sure how that came about, but that's the problem. It's that little speck of dust right there. So if we just hit the delete key, you can see it goes away. And then if we reslice the plate, Bob's your uncle, there's our slice, and everything is good to go again. Okay, so sometimes you'll run into those little issues, and it'll give you the little link. It's a little nudge to fix whatever problem it discovers. But now you can see that plate will print just fine. So just kind of look out for little things like that. If it's giving you a problem, just click on that little link, and it'll tell you how to fix it. And in that case, we had a little speck of something there somehow, some way. We deleted it, and now we can go ahead and print the plate like we're supposed to. So hopefully that will help in the future and show you how to fix this plate. I will go ahead and fix it. So if you do request the file, I'll fix it first and then send it off. But Amanda was the first one to get it because she's the one who requested it. All right. So until next time, thank you for watching.